Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. So I am making progress. Oh, why did this always have to go? It was just fine a second ago. So if you look up yonder, up there, you'll see I do indeed have the 1084 up on top of the 1702 or 1. I think it's a 2. I can't put the printer up there anymore. And that's a shame because I really wanted to have it handy and accessible and stuff. But it wasn't even plugged in. It didn't have any paper. It probably wasn't a great spot to have it anyway. But it was nicely stored there. It was. Oh, we're off. We are not on the air. We are on the air. So, I've been saying before I don't feel good. A variety of things seem to be fighting within me. So, I make regular trips to bed and the bathroom. And in between, I come in here, try and grab a few minutes, get a little bit done. I do. Just a little bit at a time. Okay, so this monitor is very nice. Oh, there's a little tape on the side here. Don't go off. And now, mostly what's on the floor here are things that could be better stored other places. For example, here we have a box of discs. Needs to go through. Here's some more solid gold, which I did start to explore, but I really should do more of. The Infiltrator, Talladega, Slot Car Racer, yay. Animation stage, oh yeah, right, I gotta test that. Anyway, discs are a beautiful thing, but much like anything, I tell people, nothing on the floor, nothing on the floor, nothing on the floor. So, I'm gonna find a better place. Right now, these can sit on top of the printer that I don't have anywhere for. Oh, and here's another box of discs that I use to test things with. But I do need, you know what, maybe I should come up with the ultimate 64 disc of things that I like and I use and are wonderful. Or maybe it would be more than one. Okay, so they're out of the way. Now, where did I put? Oh no. Did the grabber go away? Oh, I think the grabber. Oh dear. I need the grabber. Oh, that grabber kind of, oh no. It kind of got stuck under the big monitor here. That's not good. Oh dear, come on. Okay. Discs are falling. Oh dear. Okay, this could have gone better, I say. Could have gone better, I say. Oh my golly. Okay. Discs. Sit there. Grabber, come out. Okay, the grabber is out. printer's a bit yellowed, but not bad. I think it's one I got at last year's World of Commodore. So why was I going for the grabber? Well, because down here on the floor is a bottle. Doesn't need to be here. You can go to the recycling. Alright, grabber. Grabber, grabber, grabber. Oh, looky. It's a box. And it has more discs and things. Oh, there's a secret thing. What is this? Password. I need to get things that are. Oh, meter. Is it working? Yes, it is. Okay, good. Anyway, I need to get better things. But while I'm here, I will put these discs in here. Why? Do I think they belong here? Not necessarily. But, oh, you know. So yeah, it's funny because by the time I get the things that I think I will need handy, such as Cosmic Cruncher, there's going to be no more room up here again. There's going to be no room up here. No room. That I cannot have. Maybe what I need to do is get some stuff out from under the desk. Look, here's some pet chips. Actually, I think they're early chips. Oh God. There is a thing. It's a file folder thing. But I use it to put things in. Lots of things. This too. Yeah, bucket. Superman. Oh, golly. Hammers. These don't need to be here. They're heavy. They're good. They don't need to be here. There's another container of stuff. Good stuff. It is. But it doesn't need to be here. Oh, there. Easy Rider. Here. Oh, here's this beautiful keyboard thing. That. I'm going to take it out of here, but I'm going to be very careful with it. I am. Oh, look. It's another box of good stuff. Oh, 1541 drive now. Yeah. Envelope. I think I already. That'll be reused. Oh, look. The data set. Has it been tested? I don't know. These are cool things. These are good for taking pictures with. You can put something on it, and you got a nice background. Although they're a little dirty. Not bad. We don't want to cover up the Easy Riders. Alright. Back for the grabber. Here. That is a bag of bags. I'm never going to be able to pick these things up. What's this? Oh, a little bank thing. Crap. What's this? Okay, there's a big squishy envelope. It's got stuff in it. Oh dear. Okay. Okay. Excuse me 1 second here. Oh. Okay. More pink data cards. Beautiful. another container thing. Let's see if I can get up closer here. Oh, nothing on the floor. Nothing on the floor. Okay, hammers. Now down here is, of course, yet another disk drive. And it's fine and it works. It can't be on the floor. Maybe for the moment, as I'm getting stuff off the floor, I can just sit here. Oh, and here's something I kind of like. Oh, a little dirty. That's a shield from Commodore 64. From the placement of things, it looks like most all the chips were not socketed, which I'm not fond of. Let's put that up here. See, even though we're getting there on the floor, which sort of, kind of, maybe, oh. I wonder if the cold medication is doing other things to me. I've got a lot of stuff under the table here which shouldn't be. Like just glancing here, well, there might be 1064s. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I do need to figure out where things can be so I can still have room to function. And at this moment, it doesn't look very promising. But I am moving stuff out of here, little by little by little. But these bins are kind of handy and kind of helpful. But it's sort of like anything. Until you need something, it's just clutter. When you need it and you can't find it, then it's annoying that you can't find it. It is. It is indeed. Oh my. And you know what? There's a bunk bed behind me. The bottom bunk is full. But at least right now, the floor here is empty. So I can proceed to continue to evolve. Now, the desk is not clear. It is not clear at all, but it needs to be. So that's right. The 1084S. It is one I'm very tempted. However, I have the door, but the door is not, they all get broken. Well, not all. A lot of them get broken. I think I'm tempted to put that up for sale. But see, here's the thing about putting things up for sale. Locally, it's fine. I can meet people. I can drop things off. I can do stuff. Through eBay, I don't know what's going on with tariffs and things and stuff. It may be that I just say, well, you know what, I can't ship to the United States. I don't know. It's all very baffling. Very baffling it is. So I don't know. Anyway, this 1084S looks pretty dandy. I think I would like to take a magic eraser to it and tidy it up some. I mean, it's clean, but there's nothing like a magic eraser to make something that looks pretty okay shine, shine, shine. And they do present a very nice picture. The 1084 up there is the one I stuck up there that has a wonky power switch, so that it now has something stuck in there. Anyway, so yay, the floor is empty, but the desk is full. Oh, time to go back to bed. Thanks for coming. Bye for now. We'll see you again. And I will ponder my next move here. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.